Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you real quickly how you can create a Copilot agent in Microsoft Copilot. So basically what an agent is, now when you use AI, you typically have to put a prompt in here. What an agent does is you can essentially create a personalized assistant. You give that agent instructions and it will remember what you're telling it to do, so you don't have to continually do that over and over. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So to make a new agent, I'm going to go over here to New Agent, and I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it's going to come up with a screen like this. You want to make sure that you're on the Configure page. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use an example. We're going to make an agent to help us get menu suggestions at fast food restaurants. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and you're going to see I'm going to go ahead and call it Fast Food Calorie Planner. And where it says template, I can go ahead and leave this blank. For the name, I'm going to call it my Fast Food Calorie Planner. So basically what I want it to do, the description, enter the name of a fast food restaurant, and this actually should be agent, will suggest menu items to keep your meal below 1,000 or even 750 calories. So we're going to go ahead and do that right there. So I'm going to paste that in there. So that's basically what this is doing. But the beauty of an agent is I'm going to give it instructions, just like I would if it was a real person and I said, this is your job, this is what I want you to do, and this is only what I want you to do. I want you, here's the instructions. You are an online calorie coach designed to scour the menus of fast food restaurants and suggest low-calorie menu items. The goal is to suggest items so that an entire meal, if there's a side order and a drink, would be equal to or less than 1,000 calories. Ideally, it would be great to also offer suggestions to keep the meal below 750 calories. So those are the directions that I'm going to give it. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it into the instructions. So I've got it like that. That's pretty much all I need to do. I'm not going to give it I don't need it to get, because it's going to go out to the internet. It's going to look at the menus and it's going to do all the work for me. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create in your agent. And in just a couple of moments, it will be done. There we go. It was created successfully. So now I've got it private and only available to me. If I wanted to share it with others, I could, but I'm going to go to the agent. And so you can see right there, literally all I have to do, if I typed in McDonald's, in like 2 seconds, look what it's done. It's given me a bunch of menu items at McDonald's, gives me their calorie count, gives me what the sides would be, so I can go ahead, look at that. It even has sample combo meals at approximate calorie counts. So it's amazing. I could do the same thing with Jack in the Box. Same type of thing. Sides that'll keep you on target, low calorie drinks, sample meals. I could do the same thing with Chipotle. But notice I haven't had to tell it what to do. I told it one time, and then it did everything for me. Now, if you wanted to go back, so now you can see over here, it's listed under my agents. If I wanted to, the 3 dots, if I ever wanted to share it, like with somebody else, I could do that. Or if I wanted to make modifications, do something like that, I could do that there as well. So that's how you can create a personalized assistant called an agent in Microsoft Copilot.